Hello student, welcome to bio channel. So today NTA has released a new notification regarding the applications forms of the NEET UG exam. So here is the website neetnta.nic.in. Here you can go and download this notification. I will click here. Notification will be open, and this is the notification I have already loaded here. This is the National Testing Agency's notification released on 7th February 2025, and this is the regarding application form of the NEET exam. This NEET exam will be held on 4th May 2025, which is the date on which you are going to give the exam. And this exam pattern I have already discussed, or NTA has already cleared this pattern. So this exam will be of 180 minutes and held during the 2 to 5 p.m. so that's why you get the 3 hours, and this time 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the crucial time that because you should practice mock test according to the time of the NEET exam. So that's why your mental activity will be high. So this time is very crucial for your mock test. So try to solve the comprehensive test during the 2 to 5 p.m. That's why you can get the habit of high mental activity during this period. So let's discuss what is the another information given in this exam will be held in 13 languages. You read it. Application form submission started from 7 Feb and it will be up to 7 March. So total 1 month is given. So you should fill this application form very carefully. There is no need to hastily fill this form because 1 month duration is given. So this application form fees you can pay any means by credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI up to 7 March. And then corrections, if there are the mistakes in the applications form, then you can do the corrections in up to 9 to 11 March. This is the window given by the NTA, that 9 to 11 March you have a space for doing corrections. Then this is regarding the fees payable by the candidate. So category candidates can general category have a 1700 fees, OBC which have NCL non-criminal layer certificate, as well as EWS economically weaker section have a 600 rupees fees. Then SC, ST, PWD third gender have 1000 fees. Then outside India has 9500 fees, and all these fees will include the GST also. Then next one is the announcement of city announcement information will be done on 26 April, and then downloading of admit card by the candidates will be start from the 1st May, because exam will be held on 4th May. So you will get the admit card from 1st May. Then duration of exam already know, 180 minutes, and the timing of exam is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. This timing is very important. You should note that. Then centers will be indicated on your admit card, and admit card will be get on 1st May. Then next one, display of response and answer keys will be intimated by the NTA on its website. And these are the websites, these are the new websites, nta.ac as well as NEET NTA. So you can get information on these websites. Then next one is this is the important instructions regarding the candidate for filling the exam form. These exam forms will be accepted only in online mode, and this is the website where you can get the forms. Then applications forms requires upload the passport photo, address proof, and signature will be required. So you should make sure that you have a passport size photo, which is a recent passport size photo. So only one time application form will be required to submit by the candidate. There are no multiple applications forms are allowed by the NTA. Candidate must strictly follow the instructions. So there are many instructions given by the NTA. Separate bulletin is published, so you should follow the instructions whatever mentioned in the information bulletin. I will show information bulletin where they have discussed all instructions. Candidate must enter email address as well as mobile number, so that's why you should ensure that email address of your own or your parents should be there, because NTA wants to communicate with you on your registered email address or registered mobile number. So SMS as well as emails will be received on this contact details. Then information bulletin is also available on this website, so I will show information bulletin where you can get to information bulletin. So if you scroll down this website, then here is the candidate registration. You can click here. After clicking, you will go to the applying online application websites. These are the step-by-step application instructions. Here would be already existing candidates can register, log in here, and if there is a new candidate you can register here. So here is the information bulletin. So this is the information bulletin of NTA. So you can download this information bulletin and read thoroughly, because this information bulletin contains a lot of information. These are the informations so about NT National Become Entrance Test 2005 disclaimers, examination scheme. Already we have know the syllabus as well as pattern of exam, mode of exam, all things are discussed here. So you should duration of exam as we know, so medium of exam, so cities, so all this information you must know, because these informations are very important. Cities, eligibility for qualification of MBBS and BDS, counseling and reservation, how they are going to, you should read it, general instructions, and regarding the application form, payment, admit card, barred items and dress codes, very important, which items you are not allowed to take in exam hall, or what is the dress code. So information for parents also given here. Then examination hall instructions, unfair practices, breach of exam rules. These are the post examination activities, declarations. Here will be merit list and qualifying criteria will be given here. So you should follow these instructions properly, read the instructions and fill your applications form carefully without any mistakes. So that's why there will be no any problem in your documentations also. Thank you for watching the video.